Mastering English. Negative and interrogative forms with can in passive voice. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we'll be diving into a fascinating topic: how to use the modal verb can in negative and interrogative forms in the passive voice. It might sound complicated, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step. Before we dive in, let's take a quick moment to revisit what passive voice is. In English, we use the passive voice to shift focus from the subject, the doer, to the object, the receiver, of an action. For example, in the active voice we might say, John baked the cake, but in the passive voice, we would say, the cake was baked by John. Now, how does the modal verb can fit into the passive voice? Let's take a look. Can is used to express possibility, ability, or permission. When can is used in the passive voice, it shifts the focus from the doer to the action or possibility of the action. For instance, anyone can make this recipe. Active voice becomes, this recipe can be made by anyone. Passive voice. Moving on to the negative forms, we simply add not after can to indicate the impossibility or lack of permission. For example, the car can't be used without the owner's permission. In interrogative or question forms, we move can to the beginning of the sentence. For example, can this problem be solved by you? Note, it's more common in English to use active voice when asking questions, like, can you solve this problem? Still, knowing how to use passive voice in questions can be useful. Let's put these rules into practice. Negative. The movie can't be watched without a ticket. Interrogative. Can the cake be baked in 30 minutes? Negative. The task can't be completed on time. Interrogative. Can this book be found in the library? Try forming your own sentences using the negative and interrogative forms with can in the passive voice. And there you have it. You've now mastered the negative and interrogative forms of can in passive voice. Remember, practice is key when it comes to language learning. So, try using these structures in your everyday English. Until next time, happy learning!